recording?
Yep.
These are rail joiners, plastic rail joiners for blocks. A bunch of Pico switches, left and rights. These are rail gauges to know exactly 18 inches. And this is a straight one. So keep it straight. And this is a small, I think this is small 18. Yeah, small 18 in case we have a little small piece. So this is rail bed for the area where we have the yard. So we have just open space. So here's some flex track as well. It is not in a box. Must be the leftover. It isn't a full box. Although I thought I ordered it in a full box. This is road bed. So put that down and then you put your track on top of it. And that's all there is, really. Oh, did I get nails? Yeah, I guess I got some nails. All the rest of this is road bed. So, Pico switches, Unifrogs, which are the latest and greatest. They wired for DCC. Road bed, and then a lot of flex track. Code 83, Pico. Got looks like 3.5 boxes. Road bed for the yards and our insulator connectors. So there you go.